Randall M. Rueff of Randall M. Rueff, digital and film photography, wedding and event photographer, doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Canon EOS photographer Randall M. Rueff, and I've got a new friend here. Well, friend is a relative word. This is a battery grip for my new Canon 7D, and this is my new Canon 7D. Now, what I'm going to do here is, for a time moment here, I'm going to take the lens off. So, the lens is coming off for a little bit. I'm going to put the cap on the lens, put the cap on the camera so it protects it. So here you go, 7D, and its new friend, the battery grip. It's relatively simple from what I hear, and I've done this on other cameras, so I know it is, relatively speaking. Take this off. Open the door. Take the current battery out. There's a little, on the door, there's a little latch here. Simply push it. This way. Boom. Take that off. And it fits. You know, I wish I had better lighting, but I don't. So, you know, I'm trying to see which way it goes. Go in that way. Maybe it was this way. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to figure it out here. Well, let's get the. Maybe it was this way. Trying to figure out which way it goes. It looks like it goes this way. Let's get this stretching. I don't want to force it. Okay, it's hard to see without the light here. I don't need that. Okay. Okay, I see that, but which way is the battery? Okay, there's that. Like I said, I'm having trouble because it looks like it goes that way. Maybe you just gotta. Okay, it snaps in. Okay, there you go. I got it. It snaps in. I was just afraid I was going to overdo it. Okay, before we do it, let's take out the battery. Okay. Push the battery tray out. Push the two things. Yeah, okay, there it is. It comes out. Okay, so I was afraid to pull it out too hard. And there is the tray. I'm being a little gentle because this is a different. And let's see, I can just put in. I'll show you here. Does it go this way? No, it goes this way. Okay, battery just slide right in there. Boom. I will probably never be using the AA battery tray. I didn't in fact, I never did with the old one, so snaps in good. So let's put this puppy in. First time, it's gonna look awesome. I hope that's right. Okay, it slides over a little bit. That doesn't look right to me. Okay, there you go. Okay, there it is. It's snapped in there now. Just, I'm being extra cautious because I don't want to break anything. Okay, now slide that in. There it goes. Okay, and then just tighten it up. And that looks a lot. I'm going to tighten it up pretty good. I don't want to do it too tight, but I do want to. You can see a little bit of light. If I look through here, you can see a little bit of light. There it is, baby. There's my new Canon EOS 7D. Now let's put in some batteries. Put in this one. And I've got another one here somewhere. Like I said, normally this would go a lot slower, or a lot quicker. But one, got bad lighting here because the lights are out. I need to get some replacements. The only light I've got going is one behind me. And hopefully those will be replaced pretty soon. But anyway, slide that in. Click shut. Turn the power on. Boom. Of course, I can turn my battery grip on or off right here. So I'm going to turn it on so I can use it. And there you go. There's my, I like the fact that I can now grip it like this. Or like this. Boom. It's official and real. So there it is, my very slow and reluctant safety first, figuring it out and doing it right. This is the first time I've done it, so it looks good. Very excited to have a full camera now because I have the camera and the grip. It feels better in the hand because I can have this extra room down here to put my hands because I do have big hands. And if I want to do it this way or this way, I can do it. Awesome. But I especially like this. This is the one. So, until next time, I'm Canon EOS photographer RandallMatthewRueff saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. See you.